Man, what's taking so long?
Next. Hi there.
What's up, man? It's for a track.
Samples don't sound right.
Of course.
Hey, yo,
Why is this line so slow?
Oh, because you're in the regular line.
regular? There's nothing regular about me. I'm 2 Chainz. I'm different.
You want to be really different? Start paying with digital currency. You can buy real stuff with crypto, tokens, points, whatever. And it's super fast.
Was that?
The future?
No, I know Future. He'll be in this line with me. Yo,
How much to sample that?
Yeah, that's a vibe.
That's a vibe.
That's a boop. That's a
bro, ring up my frogs.
It's still processing.